Hey, my name's Sheldon. I'm a sophomore here at North Carolina Central University. I'm 19 years old. I'm a dance education major, and I'm involved in so much on NCCU's campus. I'm a fellow Eagle, a classmate like you. I'm Mr. Blue and White for the Gamma Gamma chapter of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. I'm a part of the dance majors company, Clear Onyx. I'm a part of NCCU dance group. I'm a choreographer for the theater department. I'm choreographing coordination right now. I'm doing so much for my fellow Eagles in NCCU's campus. Something that you might not know about me is that I'm facing a life-threatening illness called aplastic anemia with PNH. And that means that my body is at warfare with itself, and it's attacking itself. And I'm not producing the things that I need to live. The doctors at UNC Hospital are currently, stabilizing me right now, but medications and stuff last but only so long. Ultimately, I need a bone marrow transplant. That is the one and only cure that they have for this red blood disorder right now.
Because it sounds painful and I wouldn't do it. I donate blood, but I don't want to do the bone marrow.
I was told that they have to stick a long needle in your thigh to pull out the bone marrow, and it really hurts because they have to not only go through your skin and your thigh meat, but through the actual bones. So I was told that it hurts really bad, and that is definitely a negative, not happening.
I don't know, it's kind of stupid, but I saw an episode of House, and it's not necessarily real, but like he was getting bone marrow taken out of like his thigh, and he was just like screaming and really in pain. So I just always thought that that's what getting bone marrow taken was. It's like it really, really hurts.
It is not difficult to join the bone marrow registry. It is 2 easy steps. You swab your cheeks 4 times. The hardest step is writing out the paperwork, just knowing who you are, your name, where you're from, the best way to contact you. And if you are asked to join, you donate in 2 simple ways. One is like a blood donation. They take stem cells from your arm, and then they put all the other stuff that they don't want back into your system. And then the second way, they do have to go into the hip and get the bone marrow directly from the bone. This is not 7 pounds. This is not a house. It's considered a surgery. You are under anesthesia, you're asleep, you don't feel anything. You'll wake up sore and just maybe a little lethargic, but nothing major, just small discomfort like you had a really good workout.
70% of patients in need of a transplant do not have a matching donor in their family.
There simply aren't enough registry members of diverse racial and ethnic heritage. African Americans account for just 7% of registered donors.
Donors between the ages of 18 to 44 provide the greatest chance for transplant success.
Patients are more likely to match with someone who shares their ancestry.
Every patient's best possibility of finding a match is within his or her own race or ethnic group.
People need to join the registry, not personally just for me, but for the thousands, millions of other people on the registry who are fighting for a chance to live. We're walking around with a cure, literally in our back pocket, and we're, not educated enough or misinformed, not to use it. So I feel like a lot of us need to get up and get out and, be active in joining the bone marrow registry. I would love for my fellow Eagles to come out Saturday, week of homecoming, and help get swabbed, #swab for Sheldon, to get people on board. Just tell people about it, educate them, and if they don't know it, you'll see me on campus. Come ask me a question, I'll answer it, I promise you. But just come out Saturday and you can learn so much about bone marrow transplants. There's small discomfort in donating bone marrow transplant, but the upside is that you go through maybe 2 days of some discomfort and you can save somebody's whole entire life.
Donors never pay to donate bone marrow.
Swab for Sheldon.
Swab for Sheldon.
Swab for Sheldon.
Swab for Sheldon. 4 swabs, that's it.
Your gift saves lives.